you say slow down. I don't.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a look at one of the latest AirPods Pro 3 clones. We haven't actually reviewed any AirPods Pro clones in a very long time, so today I'm really excited to check this out. This is the Danny V6 Huilian. There is another one called the V6 Tag Builder. Both of these do have some similarities, but they also have their differences. And like always, he does ship with a double box to cover the actual packaging itself. Now with Danny, he doesn't actually provide any packaging with any Apple logos. As you can see, it is a very generic packaging. Now in terms of the specifications of this product, it's very similar like any other AirPods Pro clones from the previous versions, even like the AirPods Pro 2 clones as well. It has ANC, transparency mode, air detection, spatial audio with the head tracking feature, you got the volume sliding controls, and much more. It has Bluetooth 5.4. In terms of the battery life itself, it would last you approximately up to 5 hours per charge. And like always, all the links will be down in the description where you guys can check it out. So here it is, the Danny V6 Huilian. First thing when you open the box, you are going to get a generic user manual. So there's no Apple logo right there, as you can see. We'll then have the earbuds wrapped in a plastic. And then finally, we will have the interchangeable ear tips, which includes the extra small, small, and large, with the mediums pre-installed. Now in this generic packaging, we can see that it does come with a plastic wrapping. Compared to the originals, it comes more with the paper-like wrapping for the AirPods. Just a quick note, this version right here is somewhat affordable, more affordable than the version 5.3 Tag Builder from the AirPods Pro 2 lineup. So of course, in terms of ANC and transparency mode, if that's what you're going for, then I would rather recommend you getting the Danny version 5.3 Tag Builder or the version 5.3 Huilian. But if you're aiming for the Pro 3 design, then this is the one that I would recommend, or the V6 Tag Builder. Another quick note about this V6 Huilian compared to the V6 Tag Builder is that this will probably have better connectivity with Mac OS. So if you do get the V6 Tag Builder or any Tag Builder versions like the version 5.3 Tag Builder from the Pro 2 lineup, it's possible that it might not connect. So here it is. Here's a close-up of the AirPods Pro 3 clone. Very similar to the originals. We got some writings on the back of the case. We got the metal hinge right here. There is no physical punch hole like the AirPods Pro 2s, but if you do open up the lid, you will see that green LED in the back of the case. And of course, on the side, we got your lanyard loop, we got the speakers in the back, and a USB-C port. If we open up the lid, we will see some engravings on the top as well as in the bottom of the earbuds. In terms of the snap of the case, it does feel pretty good compared to the Pro 3 version 5.5, a budget version of the AirPods Pro 3 clones. So here's a quick look of the earbuds. As you can see, obviously they look pretty much the same as the originals. Now sometimes removing the ear tips is pretty difficult with clones, so I would say you will have to hold the earbuds really well, or else if you do remove it like this by just holding on the stem, you may actually detach the earbuds themselves because there's no glue attaching both of these sides, and then you can remove the ear tips, as you can. So I'm now running on iOS 26 on my iPhone 17. So right now, to connect the earbuds, just like any other versions, all you have to do is open up the lid and tap on connect, and what you'll do is double tap on the case, and then you'll see that white amber light. Of course, you can use Siri if you want, your head controls for answering and declining calls, and of course the heart rate sensor. In terms of the heart rate sensor on this V6 Huilian, it doesn't actually work, but some of the translation features should work on this version compared to the V6 Tag Builder. So of course, you can download all the language that you want. Now on an iPhone or Android device, you can download the StarFun app. This will allow you to connect to the device, check the chipset, and also upgrade the earbuds as well if it does have a new firmware update. And as you can see on the top of the screen, we do have the battery percentage of each side of the earbuds, and of course of the charging case. You can then turn on game mode, turn off the microphone if you want for Siri to save battery life. Here we've got the firmware version of the earbuds. Now on iOS, as you can see, is very limited. You cannot see ANC transparency mode. We got the Huilian 247B H3 Slim C right there. And of course, here in the Bluetooth settings, we'll have the earbuds themselves with all of these settings that you'll have, as you can see. Some of these actually don't work, it's mainly just for show, but some of them do actually work. So right now I'm going to test out the sound quality of the Danny V6 Huilian version. Here we go. Now I personally like turning on spatial audio for some extra bass. So in terms of the sound quality of the Danny V6 Huilian, they do sound pretty good, but of course when comparing to the Tag Builder versions, it has a little bit less bass. This is a little bit more clarity focused. Turning on spatial audio fixed mode does increase a bit more bass in the instruments as well as in the vocals, but more on the instrument side. And of course pressure control works to play or pause, to restart the song, or to skip to the next song as well. And of course you can always decrease the volume or increase the volume from sliding on the stem. Another feature that the V6 Huilian has is conversation awareness. So this feature actually does work. So let's say if I do have ANC turned on, and then I turn on conversation awareness as well. And once I start speaking, as you can see, it goes into transparency mode. I can hear my environment right away. And once I stop talking, it will go back into ANC mode. So with ANC mode on, it does work. It does block some of my surrounding. It does a pretty decent job, but again, if you really care about ANC, the strongest version will be, to me at least, from my personal experience, is the version 5.3 Tag Builder. And transparency mode right here, it also works again. I can hear my environment. It does a pretty good job as well. Obviously it's not as good as the originals because this again is kinda in the mid-range, and that's why as well that it's more affordable than the version 5.3 Tag Builder. So yeah, ANC transparency mode does work. Spatial audio head tracking works as well. So right now I'm gonna do a quick test of the live translation of the V6 Huilian. Let's see how good it is. So let's do some sample testing. Est-ce que vous allez bien? Est-ce que vous m'entendez? En ce moment, on est en train d'utiliser la traduction de ces écouteurs. Comme vous pouvez voir, la traduction de ces écouteurs fonctionne pas mal bien. Selon moi. So when it comes to live translation with these earbuds, it does actually work. Whenever someone's speaking in another language, you can actually hear the translation through the earbuds after it's processed. So as you can see, it works perfectly fine. It is really nice. So guys, these are the latest AirPods Pro 3 clones, the Danny V6 Huilian. All the links will be down in the description where you guys can check these out. For me, I think that these are a pretty decent pair of earbuds. Live translation works perfectly fine. You got decent ANC and transparency mode. Sound quality is pretty good, but again, if you want more bass, I would say go with the V6 Tag Builder. If you're using macOS, go with this one. And as you guys saw, StarFun app does work on iOS and Android devices as well. Allows you to basically change the settings, but of course you will have more features available on an Android device. So guys, got any questions, let me know down below in the comments. You can join my Discord if you want. And also Danny is doing a giveaway where any orders from $35 or above equals to 1 entry. So all you have to do is follow the instructions down in the description. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We got much more content coming soon to your way. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.